It's a certified 2020 Mercedes-Benz CLA. This is a dream within reach. The sporty styling and performance, however, mean you'll leave a lot of people in the dust. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, auto shift manual transmission, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, external memory control, voice-activated climate controls, wireless phone connectivity, and LED low and high beam headlights. Mercedes-Benz, high style, high performance. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.